Number 9 is the law of relativity. We are the one who assign meanings to what we perceive. This law states that there are challenges or trials that will soon cross our paths, and it's up to us to put this in the right perspective. This is what most motivational videos teach about, either seeing a glass half empty or half full. It is really hard when challenges arrive and you feel stuck and alone. It will surely take time before you will wake up to your senses and evaluate if this is an opportunity or a lesson that you can learn from. You can choose to feel a victim or see trials as opportunities to grow. We all experience struggles, and the ultra-rich are not exempted from these. You could feel that you are carrying the world on your shoulders, but there could be someone who is experiencing a worse situation, but sees the condition as a way to learn.